very clearly in the coming elections, we don't want Gujarat model. We have seen enough of it. Nor Godhra model, nor Delhi model. We want real Goa model, which will be good for Goa, which will be good for Goans, which can take Goa once again on the path of progress, peace and prosperity, which can once again regain the lost glory of Goa and reclaim its position as #1 state in India with highest per capita income. Now, how can we have a Goa model? We have already come out with the charge sheet and the failure report, which will launch within a week's time, which will send to every house. We are humbly requesting Goans to forget whatever happened in the past. We want to start Goa and Goans on a clean slate. And the Goa model will be Goa-centric. We are going to prepare a vision document, a mission statement, and an election manifesto for 2017 by a consultative process. As I have said, the charge sheet and the failure report will go to every house.